So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Shaw, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to make this realistic looking afro wig. So what you're going to need is your wig cap. I just used an adjustable wig cap. So now I'm going to create my guidelines so that I work faster. For me, I work faster if I do it like this. And yeah, as you can see, I'm drawing the lines from ear to ear. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. It is this afro hair. It is so natural looking. It really looks like 4C hair. You can't tell me this ain't 4C hair. It is so natural. So be sure to cut off the ends so that you can separate the hair easily. And I'm gonna cut the hair into 3 parts because my client does not want the hair to be too long, so I cut it in 3. And now I'm just removing any stray hairs so that I can work easier with the hair. To attach the hair to my wig cap, I am going to be using the crochet method. So this is basically just a crochet wig. I'm not gonna get into how to crochet because this is not a how to crochet video. I can make a separate video of how to crochet for you all if you let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, so I'm going to be attaching the hair, crocheting the hair line by line, and I'm leaving a small space. I'm not crocheting the hair together. I am crocheting it, like leaving a small space in between the individual strands. This video is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm gonna let you all watch this. If you are finding this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell too, so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So yeah, you guys, as you can see, the front part, there are like tabs over there, like ear tabs. I do not crochet that part because the hair was already going to cover. As you can see, like it's already covering the ear tab right there. And also my client didn't want it to be too big. She just wanted it to be the way I made it. But yeah, and also in the front I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the individual knot method so that I have like an invisible part without having a closure. So yeah, this is me doing the front now. I went from side to side when I reached the center part. Yeah, basically crocheting. So my client wanted a middle part, and yeah, I've now reached the middle, and I'm going to start doing the individual knot method. So with the individual knot method, you stick your crochet in, then you pull it. Instead of inserting both the 2 strands of hair, you only insert one and make a knot. That's what you do. So I slowed it down so that you guys can see properly. pin your crochet into the wig cap. Pin the hair. Instead of pulling out both strands, you only pull out one strand and make a knot. Then you pull the hair back and voila, it looks natural. So that's how you do the individual knot method. I'm also going to do the other side, making the hair fall to the other side as well. And there you have it. See, we have a middle part. So this is how it looks like in the inside. You can see it looks very neat. So you guys, to make it more natural, you just tease the hair a little bit. And I just started shaping the afro and cutting out any stray hairs and making sure it is to my liking, perfecting it, and voila, this is the end result.